Let me show you an extremely useful AI tool that creates visuals out of text. Let me show you very quickly. For example, say I'm writing a blog about the future of AI and I want to create something that illustrates this sentence here. I can just grab it. I can paste the text into this AI tool, click this little button here. It'll analyze it, understand what it's about, and then at the bottom in a second, it'll create a visual that represents or that visualizes the sentence that I'm talking about. Not only that, but it gives me a few options like, let's say I like this right here. That explains it very well. And I can change even the design of this right away. Not only that, but if I select the design, I can go into the actual icons themselves and change the color of the selected icon and even change the icon, which I think is pretty incredible. From an SEO perspective, this is fantastic because you're adding more visuals to your content, making it a lot nicer to read, and it just makes things a lot more fun. The tool is called Napkin.ai and it's in beta, and while it's in beta, it's free. So I would make the best of this while you can. If you have old blogs, you can revamp them by just selecting on a random text or a random paragraph that you think could do with a nice visualization and visualizing. So not only that, once it's visualized and once you're happy with the design or the visualization of the text that you've selected, you can download the entire thing by PNG, SVG, or PDF. So let's go PNG, and if we open it back up, you're gonna have the transparent background. I think this is really, really cool, and one of the first use cases I've seen in a while that it does the visualization extremely well. Yes, you can technically do this with Claude and ask it to do HTML5, but this is way better in my experience. I would use this for content generation, for blog posts, for social media, for a lot of things. I think I'll be using it even once they start rolling out the paid feature, but again, for now it's free. You can do a lot more things, like add other elements to it here. As you can see, let's see, give it a go. I can bring in other components like a horse if I want to. I don't know what, and I can even join this here into the original aspect as well. It's a very easy to use click and drag interface, but the fact that it does the original interface or the original work right away from the text is extremely handy, and it's very versatile. You can change it to your brand colors and whatnot. I highly suggest you check it out. By the way, this is not a sponsored post. I just really like this tool. It's quite handy. Again, it's called Napkin.ai. I'll leave it linked in the resources below. And if you want to stay up to date and learn how to use all these tools to maximize your SEO, your search engine optimization, to rank number one, your website number one in your keyword or your specific industry, you should check out our community, the AI Ranking and Automation Hub. It's a lot of fun, but if not, that's all right. Just give me a subscribe and a like if you found value in this video.